My name is Chiranjeevi Maddala. I'm founder, director of Digital Ready, a digital skill academy, which has been started in Madhapur in 2014. Today we just started a new branch in District Nagar. I'm very happy about it. Let me explain what digital marketing is all about. See, today our life is dependent upon the digital devices. If we want to do banking, if we want to order food, if we want to do or consume content like video, text, anything is dependent upon the digital devices, especially the mobile devices. So, as a business, you need people, and today you can find a lot of people on digital channels. It is easier for you to capture your audiences through digital platforms. So, through digital marketing, you can attract people towards your business using various channels that are available. For example, search engines. So a lot of people, when they want something, they immediately go to the search engine. For example, Google. They type in a keyword, they see the results, and whatever comes up on the top, they go visit and probably buy from them. But the question is, how are you going to put your business on top of the search engines? That needs an understanding of search engine optimization. That's part of digital marketing. And second, everyone is on social media channels like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter. So as a business, you got to create your presence there. So you got to attract, you got to give them what they want so that they'll come to you. What kind of content needs to be shared, when it needs to be shared. Okay, so if you understand all those things, you will have a chance. It's all about getting the attention of the users. See, today the world is very complex. Okay, so if you really want to do your business well, you need to attract the attention of people. The only way, or the best way to do that is utilizing social media. So create content, distribute, people will be coming to you. And there are many other techniques. Like you can use email marketing, you can use advertising, the biggest thing in the world right now. Okay, so you can reach out to the right audiences across many channels by targeting their location, age, interests. See, ultimately, digital marketing is about delivering the right message to the right person at the right time and also at the right place using digital channels. Thank you.